Hello everyone, it's John Burnside here with something we all have the ability to accomplish. You can manifest anything in your life. Abundance, happiness, love. We've all heard of the law of attraction. Its motto is ask, believe, receive. As seen in The Secret, it provides a method of manifesting abundance and greatness into your life, simply and easily. Money, health, relationships, success, happiness, whatever you want, the law of attraction can help you achieve. But there's a problem. Most people aren't getting results. And here's the reason. Over 94% of people using the law of attraction are not getting the results they expect. They're overwhelmed by the hundreds of experts out there, each trying to sell their own unique system. They find it hard to follow the 20-step systems, constantly asking the universe for results which never materialize. Why don't they see results? Because they're getting it wrong. Most people treat the law of attraction as though it's a mysterious force they need to somehow master. It's not. Instead, it's all based on something we're already familiar with and rely on each and every day. It's simply science. The law of attraction isn't magic. It's science in action. The law of attraction doesn't work by mysteriously altering the universe. There's no secret cosmic ordering service. And no matter how much pseudoscience you read, there's zero quantum physics involved. Just ask any quantum physicist. Instead, when it's effective, the law of attraction works by changing what's on the inside, which in turn changes your experience of the world. In short, your intention sets your direction. When you start to truly understand how all of this works, this manifesting process suddenly becomes a huge force for making positive change in your life. Manifesting is real. It's science in action. You just need to forget all the fluffy stuff you've picked up so far. We live the world of manifesting, debunking myths, sharing evidence. On our channel, Quantum Quirks, we live the world of manifesting. We connect the experts, debunk the myths, explain the science, and demonstrate how you can achieve the greatest possible results quicker than ever before. We're on a mission to share the true elements behind the law of attraction and get rid of all the excess fat that just doesn't work. And we want to prove that manifesting works by giving you the precise steps that will help you achieve your dream life. For free. Claim your free manifesting cheat sheet. Learn how to manifest in just 5 minutes. Manifesting is easy. As mathematician John Conway said, it's cats that are complicated. In just moments from now, we'll give you a precise 5-step method for activating the law of attraction instantly. It's so easy, anyone can do it. Plus, it's 100% backed by real science. Not that made-up nonsense. Get ready to enjoy greater happiness, abundance, love, and insight. Click below to download our manifesting cheat sheet for free. Even if you're not sure, why not just see what all the fuss is about? Thank you for taking your time to enlighten yourself with this video, and I'm sure you'll thank yourself once you've downloaded your free manifesting cheat sheet. You'll find magic in this download. Simply go to the description box below, and what you'll find is magic.